Here's how you can launch your retargeting meta ads. Go to adsmanager.facebook.com and then click on the green button. If you're signed up, you'll see the dashboard and you'll see like a green create button. And if you're not, then sign up and then you'll get this view. Um, Click on the create button and then choose your objective based on your end goal. Ideally, usually it's sales. Um, Now go to the budget, choose the ad set budget so you have more control, and then go to the ad set level and choose maybe like website or calls or message destination based on your objective, and then select the conversion event you want to achieve, and then choose your budget. And after that, further limit the reach of your ads. Click on that and then switch setup. This way you can see the custom audience and detailed targeting. And this is supposedly not used as a suggestion, or it's used as a targeting. So choose the demographic that says upcoming birthday, and this way you will be targeting people that have their birthday coming up in the next week. Now you can choose placements and like refine maybe like the ages you want to target. But after doing that, you essentially just add your creative on the ad level, which will be like a video or an image, ideally related to the per day like message you want to send to your customers. And check in the description. I'll add like a list of 50 hooks that could help you um, get get better creative when it comes to birthday messaging. Hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next video.